In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create this exact design using Canva. Let's get started. First, go ahead and add your text. Now adjust the text spacing and change the colors to match your design style. Adjust the text like this, then download your design. Now go to Apps. Search for Transform Image. Then select this tool. Choose Downloaded Text Image. Zoom and adjust text like this. Again, go to Apps. Search Image Blend. Then select this tool. Choose Liner. Adjust like this. Now go to Elements, add a shape. Adjust like this. Add a character image and make sure background is removed. Add a shadow element. Add text for background. Again, make a new text image same like before using Image Blend. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like.